Dr. Fauci says anybody in the United States who wants a vaccine will be able to get one by April. Is that possible?
Well, Shep, what we know about supply is that Pfizer and Moderna are due to deliver a total of 200 million doses by the end of March and 200 million more by the end of June. And that doesn't count Johnson & Johnson or other vaccines that could be coming to market. Now, President Biden announced today another purchase of 200 million doses split between Pfizer and Moderna for delivery by the end of July. And that means enough in total for 300 million Americans.
We now have moderate levels of population immunity. Probably on the order of 25 to 30% of the country has been infected and now has some level of immunity. And you can imagine if every third person is immune, it's harder for the virus to bump around. So I think that is slowing things down as well.
Well, Shep, we were supposed to hear there from President Biden, who had said that President Trump had not ordered enough vaccine doses. But there is a question, as we're seeing the number of people vaccinated rising, could that be contributing to these improvements in case numbers and hospitalizations? You just heard from epidemiologist Caitlin Rivers, who says that it may be too early for that. But she says that natural immunity from 20 to 30% of Americans already having been infected may be slowing down the spread of the virus. But then, Shep, there's the risk of variants, mutated strains that spread more easily or which could escape immunity from our vaccines or prior infection. California and Illinois now reporting their first cases of the B1351 variant, first identified in South Africa. At least 12 total cases now detected in 5 states. Still, doctors we spoke with are optimistic.
This is our game to lose. We really are doing, I think, a decent job with mitigation, with mask wearing. Boy, the vaccines need to go faster, and we need to put a lot of pressure and figure out how that can ramp up.
He notes we've got to double down, but we're also going to be at warmer weather soon. Shep?
Yes, bring it on. And Meg, there's a new study out from the Lancet Medical Journal analyzing COVID deaths in the United States. What did you learn from that?
Yeah, this report is pretty stark. It finds that 40% of deaths from COVID in the U.S. could have been averted if the death rate here mirrored that of other nations in the group of 7. It says many of our cases and deaths were avoidable, and it lays blame on President Trump for dismissing the threat, refusing to develop a national strategy, and politicizing the pandemic. Shep?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.